This lifting bandage can be an effective and useful method to help minimize the look of a double chin and saggy skin. Great for men and women with any skin type. This slimming strap is designed to tighten and lift the skin, promoting a youthful look. Comfortable yet sturdy, made with breathable fabric, adjustable and easy to use. For best results, use 1 hour a day for 4 weeks.
Ready to have smooth, beautiful feet every day? Now you can with the new Flawless Pedi. Instantly and painlessly remove tough calluses and dry, cracked skin between salon visits or instead of. Flawless Pedi's breakthrough streamlined design easily reaches your heels, toes, sides, and balls of your feet for smooth, flawless results.
You can literally see it working.
With 2 treatment heads, the coarse roller painlessly removes dry skin and calluses, and the fine roller gently polishes for a beautiful, smooth look and feel.
It's painless, it's quick, the results are instant.
Ultra hygienic, easy reach design, cordless and rechargeable.
No more cracking, no more dry skin. The fact that I can do this from home is a total game changer.
If you don't have this, you need to get it.